Welcome to Tour Guide. Blue seas, ancient ruins, and sunset yacht rides. Welcome to Antalya, where every summer day feels like a dream. Antalya isn't just a city, it's the heart of the Turkish Riviera. Located on the Mediterranean coast, it combines stunning beaches, ancient wonders, and unforgettable adventures. Over 300 sunny days a year. Ideal for sun seekers, culture lovers, and adrenaline junkies. Easy flights from Europe plus modern tourism infrastructure. Get ready to meet some of the cleanest, most beautiful beaches in all of Turkey. Kaleiçi Beach. Long, public, with mountain views. Lara Beach. Sandy and resort lined, great for families. Kaputa's Beach. Unreal blue water between cliffs. Olympos Beach. Rustic and quiet, ancient ruins meet beach vibes. History lovers, you're in for a treat. Old Town. Cobblestone streets, Ottoman houses, Roman harbor. Hadrian's Gate. 2,000-year-old Roman arch still standing. Aspendos and Purge. Massive Greco-Roman ruins just a day trip away. Olympos Ruins. Jungle-covered ruins right on the beach. Want more than just lying on the beach? Antalya delivers. Yacht cruises from the marina, half-day or sunset options. Cliff diving and parasailing at Kaleiçi. Cable car to Tunaktepe, epic views of the coast. Canyoning or whitewater rafting in Köprülü Canyon. From coastal street food to rooftop seafood, your taste buds are about to go on vacation. Fresh fish and meats at marina side restaurants. Gözleme and ayran in Old Town streets. Antalya-style piyaz, local dish, made with tahini. End with a cold Turkish ice cream in the Old Town. Luxury, boutique, or budget, Antalya has it all. Luxury resorts in Lara Beach. Historic boutique hotels in Old Town. Budget-friendly pensions around Kaleiçi. Many hotels offer free beach access and tour packages. July and August equals hot. Bring sunscreen and hat. Use public minibuses to move around affordably. Book activities early. Antalya gets crowded in peak summer. Don't skip the mountains, even in beach season. Antalya is more than a destination, it's a summer state of mind. Whether you're after lazy beach days, adrenaline-fueled adventure, or ancient wonders, it's all waiting here. Comment below. What part of Antalya are you most excited to see? Subscribe to Tour Guide for more city travel videos across Turkey.